Ho ho ho. Some water cooler. 4070 Ti graphics card. M.2 2TB storage. Cable. Ethernet cable. And power supply. So I just need my CPU. I got my case. Got my RAM. Got my motherboard. And I will have all of the pieces to make a computer. The very last box here came. So this is it. CPU and the Windows 11. All right, I am ready to go. Very excited. All of my stuff that I need is right here. It's gonna go right here. This is a webcam. This is my little setup. And this is all of my stuff. Well, let's see if this works. Computer case. Knife, need you. Oh. Box garbage land will be over there. Success, I think, of the case. Little booklet on how to stuff might be important. You're a little bit heavy. Ooh. So that's, let's see. So, how does this work? It's been so long since I've messed with a proper computer case. How on earth does this work? As a computer guy, I should know this. Tell me your secrets. Probably a manual for that. Okay, interesting. I opened up exactly to the page I needed to. I usually don't have that kind of luck. It worked. I have a feeling that this is going to be a long clip. Hurrah! That part came out. Let's see what? You'll come out too. Oh, that's satisfying. So you come with a little fan. Well, that's nice. Come with 2 fans. It's even nicer. It should work quite well. So, case is done. Now let's do the motherboard. I'm gonna keep that over there for now. DDR5 RAM. The package I just opened is garbage. Live over there. A new mouse. Mousy, mousy, mousy. Bad joke. No one's gonna subscribe. Windows 11. Because that's Core i5 CPU. Windows is also a little bit later. Next, not sure if I can keep everything in frame here, but all of the good stuff is in this one. We have a massive water cooler. Seriously, this box is like massive. No problemo. That's why I got the bigger case. Just in case. And we're gonna need it. Now, here is the grand finale of computer parts. 4070. Nothing else in here matters quite as much as the thing that makes gaming gaming. This is a hobby, and I have not done hobby stuff in like a long time. Power supply, that's the word. That's the word. What that is. Computers need power. M.2 SSD storage. So somewhere, somehow, I'm going to take all of these things and cram them into there, and cram that into there. Let's see how it goes. Box, you can live over here on top of the other box. Now we can start doing some fun stuff. Power supply. Ooh. I saw things that say don't skip out on the power supply. So I didn't skip out on the power supply. Alright. Alright. Look at how beefy that is. It's so beefy. I have a rough idea of how that's going to work. a very rough idea. I am getting scared now. Because everything else is actually fragile and takes some care to not mess up. Okay, let's do this one. This is the least fragile of the bunch, I think. Okay. Oh no, that way. Interesting. Hold on, brackets and screws. That should be okay. Okay, got 3 fans. I think you can drop down there, and I can pull you guys out. So that's fine. Okay, and silicate gel. Do these guys just like stick on there like that, or do these guys go inside here? Looks like they're supposed to go inside there. No, there's no room inside there. Should probably read the manual. That might be helpful. I'm gonna figure out what I'm doing here and come back after that. But I figured out how to install fans here, which direction they're supposed to go, and all that good stuff. So there's a little arrow on the thingy here. Where are you? Where are you? And that arrow goes toward the thing here. Now I will do that a little bit later. Beep, 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 beep. You can sit over there. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. Let me cut these bad boys off. Totally am. Oh, thank goodness. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Little screw, little knob. Thing that looks like a little vacuum. No, this is a Wi-Fi. Another little screw. This is a postcard. Yeah, a postcard with my motherboard. That's fun. Some little Velcro and the user manual. Okay, so for CPU, I am looking for, open this up, pull this out. Oh, I did a thing. Oh, I did another thing. Oh, I'm doing some things. It's beautiful. Look at how beautiful it is. Can you tell I've never done this before? Yes, that is totally correct. I'm putting pressure on it. That's good. I think I did it. CPU is installed, I think. Next, RAM. Look at how pretty. For which way this is. I don't see the diagram. Recommended memory configuration. I'm trusting you on this. I'm gonna get you. I got you. Wait a minute, I have to open these. I think you go in there, and you go in there. I did it. I think the last buddy boy here is the storage. Okay, so this guy isn't quite as pretty as the CPU or the RAM, but it is just as important. Okay, where are the slots? The regular. Okay, so that's gonna work just fine. Are you a thing? Should I leave you on? I feel like this thing's supposed to come off. I don't know if you're supposed to take this off or not. I'm gonna look that up real quick. Hold, please. Okay, so it looks like you're supposed to leave that on. You know what? I'm just gonna put this on this one. Wiggle it in. Wiggle, wiggle. And oh boy, that looks good. I don't know exactly what I'm doing here. This is the first time. So, I'm gonna do that this one came with its own little heat sink, so I'm gonna peel this off there. I'm gonna put this guy on there, I think. Now a little screw. Is that good? Did I do good? Did I do good? Did I? It's a genuine question. I got things. I got things connected. Okay, where are the mounting screws? Look at this madness. And it was all the way in there. Okay, I'm back and I found it. Okay, so now that I know about that, it makes me feel a lot better. Ooh. It's coming along. And what I can deduce here from dial port being right there, it's gonna go in something like this. Heck yeah. You actually see that? Yes, you can. Fantastic. You know what? I just thought of something. That's laying the case down before doing this. There you go. We're making progress here. Got the screws all in there, and this is gonna be mounted at the top there, and this one's gonna be mounted. I got it upside down right now. That's gonna be like that. And the graphics card is gonna go into there. So let's see if we can make this happen. So you go in like that. Okay. So now we can do this one up. There we go. Try that again. Whoosha! We did it. Okay, so this guy is gonna go on here, something like this. So this is a moment of truth. Put these in the screws. Now I put these guys on. Oh, I think I did it. I think I installed. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Okay. What's next? There we go. I think that's connected. I'm doing it. And I'm terrified. Now I can try to set it in the box. So all of you are going to come up here like this. And you are going to come in there. Ooh, I'm so scared. Well, now I gotta get you out of there. Ooh, I did it. Does that line up? Guys, I'm doing it. It's lined up. Look at it. It's in there. It's so beautiful. It's almost fucking 11:30. Gotta go to bed soon. I'm probably not gonna be able to like boot this up tonight and test it and see if it's working. That's my goal tomorrow. Screws once again. Screws. So fasten that one in. Yes.